Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by positioning the shoe and box in bright, even light so the QR module is readable. This reduces glare and autofocus hunting. Once done, open your phone camera or a reliable QR app. You need camera permission enabled. Move to about half a meter, then slowly bring the code into frame until it fills roughly 1/4 to 1/3 of the viewfinder. Make sure the lens is clean. Wipe any smudges. You should see a focus lock or a prompt within a second or two. You center the QR and hold steady to let autofocus and exposure stabilize. Small hand tremors make scanning fail. If the image looks soft, tap the code on screen to force focus and wait for the URL or tag preview. If contrast is low, switch HDR off or adjust exposure by dragging the brightness slider. This improves decode accuracy. Once the preview appears, examine the domain and tag details for authenticity. Don't open links from unknown shorteners without checking. You finish by opening the verified link and checking the product page against the shoe's SKU, colorway, and serial number. That confirms authenticity or registration. If the scan doesn't work, reposition the shoe, try a bit farther back, or toggle your phone flashlight to cut reflections. Sometimes rotating the code 10-20 degrees helps decode. If problems persist, use a second phone or a dedicated QR app, or manually enter any printed ID into Nike's verification page to complete the check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.